Rediscovering my freedom of movement has been an incredible journey. Now I've dedicated my life to helping others do the same. Being able to go wherever I want, however I want.
My very big next goal is to be a para-triathlete. So I swim, I bike, and I run.
Change my pace or hop on my bike and it reacts instantly. Feels like a breath of fresh air. The Genium X4 transitions real time, so I can just start walking. With this flexibility, I can go anywhere. What's your next move? Being in crowded spaces can be a challenge. Step, stop, another step, avoid a person, step back. It can get really exhausting when you have to think about every move. But not with the Genium X4. It moves smoothly and intuitively. I don't think about it anymore. I just move my legs as I need to, and I trust my knee. Or using the escalator. I just step off. It doesn't matter which foot I put first. The start to walk function is truly amazing. I really enjoy the intuitive cycling feature. I can just hop on the bike and start pedaling. No presets are needed. And I can stop anytime. Put my prosthetic leg onto the ground and it automatically reacts. It knows I have stopped. It really feels so much safer.
My purpose is I want to join able-bodied and disabled-bodied people together through sports. I started to write my blog because I wanted to show people that everybody can overcome the challenges they face in life. I am Rika and I'm 26 years old. Living with one leg doesn't mean that you are incapable. I have lost my leg in a car accident 2014. I was really afraid of driving and I made my driving license last year. So I am happy to travel all over Hungary and discover the places. That's why I wanted to study sport management. My purpose is I want to join able-bodied and disabled-bodied people together through sports.
My name is Bailey East. I'm 19. I'll be turning 20 in a month, and I am from New Braunfels, Texas. I'm extremely grateful to not have to stare at my feet when I'm walking around with my family. I can actually enjoy my surroundings and look up and see the world around me instead of having to stare at my feet. My grandmother has a horse named Jumping Jack Flash. It felt pretty good to be able to dance like almost a normal person. There's a lot of things that the sea lake has helped me to reclaim.
Myo Plus pattern recognition controls terminal devices with artificial intelligence. The Myo Plus prosthesis control uses up to 8 electrodes to measure incoming signals of the forearm and derives patterns that are characteristic for individual movements. Complex mathematical algorithms transform and amplify these signals and patterns so that a prosthetic hand can translate them into the corresponding movement. The Myo Plus app is the central interface between the user and the control unit. It basically serves as a window into the prosthesis, visualizing the hidden movement patterns in the residual limb. Myo Plus ensures smooth and intuitive prosthesis control, smooth transitions, precise control, and more grip options. Myo Plus offers superior use of the hand prosthesis and gives the user freedom to concentrate on the essentials of daily life. Myo Plus, the new standard of care using artificial intelligence technology.